Did you know that persimmons are delicious and a powerhouse of nutrition? Hello and welcome to our Nutrition Daily Tips channel, your nutrition coach for mindful eating and nutritional insights. Today we will guide you through the fascinating journey of persimmons, a fruit as nutritious as it is delightful. We'll delve into the rich history, various types, and remarkable health benefits of persimmons. Persimmons originated in China, cultivated for over 2,000 years. The fruit spread to Korea and Japan and was introduced to India a century ago. They were prized for their sweet flavor and medicinal properties. They grow on Diospyros kati trees in tropical rainforests and are known for their decorative wood used for ornamental purposes. Persimmons in some cultures are a symbol of good luck and prosperity. Two main variants are the Asian persimmon, like Hachiya and Fuyu, and the American persimmon, Diospyros virginiana, Hachiya persimmon. This is an astringent variety due to its high tannin content, and it has an acorn-like appearance. It's best eaten when incredibly soft and fully ripe and becomes sweet and jelly-like. It is ideal for baked goods and makes excellent jellies and jams. One of the favorite combinations is persimmon quince jelly, full of lovely, complex flavors. Fuyu persimmon. This is a non-astringent variety, short and squat, like a tomato. It's best eaten while still firm and crisp, offering a sweet flavor and crunchy texture. It is ideal for eating raw in salads or sliced in desserts for crisp and sweet nature. American persimmon, Diospyros virginiana. This is an astringent type. It is more astringent than Asian varieties. They are smaller and rounder, with a deep orange color when ripe. It's best eaten when it becomes soft, sweet, and flavorful upon ripening. It is ideal in traditional American puddings, bread, and jam recipes. What's your favorite way to enjoy persimmons? Share your recipes in the comments. Now, let's move to the spectacular health benefits of persimmon. Persimmons are a treasure trove of essential nutrients. Vitamin C is for immunity. Vitamin A is for healthy vision. Vitamin E is for skin wellness. Vitamins B1 and B2 are for elevated metabolism. Vitamin B6 is for brain power and the nervous system. Vitamin K is for normal blood clotting and tissue repair. Persimmons are also loaded with vital minerals such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, manganese, and iron, essential for healthy bones, joints, hypertension management, nerve function, and blood cell production and circulation. They are rich in bioactive compounds like polyphenols, tannins, catechins, proanthocyanidins, and carotenoids. These compounds have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antihypertensive, and anti-aging properties. Reduce inflammation. Persimmons are a great source of vitamin C and flavonoids, powerful antioxidants. They help build immunity by eliminating harmful toxins and free radicals from the body. They also help prevent seasonal illnesses such as coughs, colds, fever, and chronic ailments such as diabetes, cancer, heart disease, arthritis, and dementia. Heart health. Persimmons are rich in vitamin E, maintaining healthy levels of unsaturated fats and dietary fiber for a healthier heart. They also contain high potassium levels, which helps lower blood pressure and prevent hypertension and arrhythmia. Additionally, the anthocyanin found in persimmons has cardioprotective properties that promote a regular heartbeat and pulse. Digestive health. Persimmons are a great source of B vitamins as well as soluble fibers. B vitamins regulate the breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats for optimal metabolism and energy levels, while fibers ensure smooth bowel movements, preventing bloating, flatulence, and constipation. Moreover, phytonutrients like tannins and polyphenols in persimmons have antimicrobial properties that protect against stomach infections, and fibers help balance gut microbial flora for the regular functioning of the intestines. Manage diabetes. Persimmons are safe for people with diabetes if consumed in limited amounts. They inhibit enzymes such as A-amylase and A-glucosidase that contribute to diabetes. Their low glycemic index and high dietary fiber content can prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Enhance eye health. Persimmon contains vitamin A and carotenoid antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These components improve eye health by enhancing the functions of the retina, cornea, lens, and conjunctiva, stimulating blood circulation to the optic nerve, and preventing eye diseases such as age-related macular degeneration, glaucoma, and cataracts. Fights bacterial infections. Tannins found in persimmon can combat lung infections by fighting inflammation caused by bacteria. This helps to keep the body healthy and free of harmful bacteria. Skin health. The richness of vitamins C and E plus catechin antioxidants offer anti-inflammatory properties to heal acne, dark spots and scars, slowing down skin aging and minimizing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Remember, this channel is about engaging with you and sharing our passion for health and nutrition. If you enjoy this video, show us love by hitting the like button. Cultivation and harvest. The harvest season for persimmons typically falls in late autumn. Persimmon trees thrive in temperate climates. They require well-drained soil and full sun. The fruit is ready to harvest when fully colored, but is still firm to the touch. Astringent varieties are often harvested earlier when they are still very firm. Since they are harvested unripe, they must be left at room temperature to ripen until soft and edible. What causes that fuzzy, dry mouth feeling? This odd feeling is due to the proanthocyanidins, commonly known as tannins, in the unripe fruit. Tannins are astringent, so when you take a bite of an unripe persimmon, your mouth will feel very dry. Tannins are a natural antioxidant, meaning this fruit is excellent for your health. If persimmons have left you puckering your mouth, there are a couple of things you can do to avoid this in the future. Make sure your fruit is perfectly ripe. Purchase the Fuyu variety, the non-astringent type. Cook your fruit to nullify the tannins. Potential side effects. There should be no risk in eating persimmons for most people. However, if you consume massive quantities of fruit, the tannins and fiber could combine with the natural acids in your stomach to form a bezoar, a hard mass that could lead to gastric problems. Many people misinterpret the dry, fuzzy mouthfeel of a naturally astringent or unripe persimmon and believe they may be experiencing an allergic reaction when they're not. To recap, persimmons are small, orange fruits with a delicious sweet flavor and offer incredible nutritional benefits. They contain many vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that aid digestion and improve vision, heart, and skin health. By incorporating these delightful fruits into your diet in moderation, you can enjoy the fantastic wellness incentives they provide and contribute to your overall health. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the world of nutritious persimmons and want more insights into healthy eating, hit the subscribe button. Share this video with friends and family who'd love to learn more about the wonders of persimmons. Thanks for joining us on the Persimmon adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting content on health and nutrition. Until next time, keep eating healthy and curious about your food choices.